Hello everyone, just thought that I'll make another video of this pair. Didn't get to them yesterday, but the cock in this video is a son of 2443, and I crossed that son of 2443 with the Euro Diamond Gunners hen that I have. I only have one hen that is like that, and so I put them together, and this is the child. Now, this cock bred the 8th place final Carnival Lofts this year, and I've put him with this hen. I bought this hen from Hoogkotse in Schweizer-Reneke. This hen was the hen with the most points 2 years ago in the club, and especially in headwind conditions, won the Union, raced very well. At a speed, I think it was 1,020 meters per minute on a long distance. So that's what I really like. I like the birds that can do the headwind conditions, the tough races. So I'm excited about this hen. I already paired her up with a full Brother of Love 3, the Super Race winner, and their children is at some of the lofts that I've entered in. So this is the first time that I'm putting her up with this cock. So I'm excited. Let's see what will come out of this. Okay, thank you.